Okay, example 2, if this is a meter rule, okay, and then let's say here it's 200, for example, there it's 0. Let's say I put here as the pivot there, and then I can put there as the I can say 25. Let me use 20 so it is easy, smaller numbers. 20, and then here I can put 40, for example. And then I put a weight here. Here I can put a weight of the weight that's hanging there, let's say 3 kgs, and then that's a weight. And then the question is, find the weight of the what? The ruler. This is a ruler, all of it is a ruler. So I'm finding, so here it's find the weight of the rule. Okay, find the weight of the rule. That's the question. Find the weight of the rule. Now, as I said, the first thing you do is know that the weight of the rule acts half of the distance of the rule. Why? Find the weight of the rule. Find the weight of the rule. Actually, here it's uniform rule, not rule. Uniform. I said you have to put uniform. Find the weight of the uniform rule. Uniform. Okay? Rule. I'm repeating. Uniform. There's uniform there. Uniform rule. Find the weight of the uniform rule. So I said the most important part here is this word called uniform. Okay? Uniform. Okay. So you remember what I said? I said the weight of the rule acts at halfway. So it means what you're going to use first is this. Okay? There, and then also this side. So the weight of the rule here will act X. We do not know the weight, but it's acting half of the distance. What's the distance? Total distance is what? 200. So it's acting at 100 here. That's why it's going to act. Okay? Now this is a main question, so I don't want to interfere with it. So that I don't interfere with the main question. So let me not write these so that I don't interfere with the main question. Okay, so those things are not there. Okay, so write them in the next. Okay, so this is the question. That's how it is like this. So we start solving now. What do we have there? We have the thing that is like this, and then it's coming out like this. So it's acting at halfway. I've cut it off. So here it's 20 kgs. It's 30 kgs. Okay, and then the distance from here to here, it's how much? What's the distance from there to there? The distance from here to here, I do not know. I mean, the distance, here it's X. You already know here it's X, because it's acting halfway. So he said it's acting halfway here. This is a full question. So meaning when you're writing the question, write it like this. Don't write anything, but write like this. This is a full question. But for analyzing now, it's acting halfway here. That's where X is here. Okay? And it's acting at 100. Okay? So meaning that what's the distance from 40 to 100? It is 60. So meaning the distance here, it's 60. And then the distance from there to there, it's what? 20 to 40, it is 20. Okay, it's 40 minus 20. So it is 20. That's all. And then you do your calculations. So moment on the left is equal to moment on the right. Moment on the left hand is equal to moment on the right hand. So we go. 3 kgs. So moment on the left is equal to moment on the right. So moment is force times distance. Also this side is force times distance. What is a force? Remember, we are given 3 kgs. To convert 3 kgs to force, you multiply 3 kgs times 10, which will be 3 newtons. Okay, so here on the newtons, here it's 3 times, what's the total distance? You multiplied these 3 times acceleration due to gravity, which is 10. Total distance from there to there, it's 20. It is 20 is equal to, what is the force? The force is what we are looking for. This x, I do not know the force, so I'll put x on the force. X is, and then distance is 60. This will be 600 is equal to 60x. Okay, we're finding x. So 600 is equal to 60x. You divide by 60, divide by 60. That cancels out. This cancels with that one. 6 into 6, 1. 6 into 60 is 10. So x is equal to 10. So it means it's 10 newtons. The weight of the root is 10 newtons. That's how you do it. I hope you have understood. Always remember that the force is acting at half the distance. Always remember that if the distance from there to there is 200, meaning the force is acting at half the distance, which is 100. So that's the answer. That's the answer. I hope you have understood.